In this video, I will try to help you determine which phone system or SMS system is the best for you. My camera is broken, so we'll do only voice and screen share. Currently, we have a new page on the website. It's amazingbusinessresults.com/recommend. On this page, we listed all the companies that we are really recommending and pushing. Each one of the companies that you will see on this video are working with us in partnership. We're getting commission whenever there is a sale. It's a small commission, but still there is a commission. And also from the other side, you will get in return a better deal that you would get if you go directly with them. Let's start with the SMS. I would recommend SMS solution only if you do not want to have your phone system integrated with Zoho. If you want to have only SMS, that's probably the best solution. There are lots of upsides to this plugin, and I will add a link in the description to the video about this solution. But again, this solution is great if you want to send SMS, multimedia messages, and WhatsApp messages, but you don't want to have a phone system integrated to your Zoho, which I think it's the wrong way to go about it. I do think that when people are anxious to close a deal, they will not reply to your SMS. They will actually try to call the number of the SMS. And if your phone system is not connected to your SMS, you're missing opportunities. One of the things that we also provide here is free installation by the developer, which that will be probably worth $100 or $200. The next system will be a phone system that also including SMS, and this is RingIO. This is our for sure the best dialer that we can offer out there. RingIO is awesome. First of all, it's a small company. They care about their clients. They try to accommodate any need that you may have. Their dialer is awesome, really, really awesome. You can have in the dialer, for example, whenever a new call comes in, you can load the last note from the file. You can do lots of stuff. It's a very, very good system. You can mask your number, lots of things. It's a great system. Two downsides. If those downsides at some point will be fixed, that will be probably the best system in the world. One, they are providing services only to North America, excluding Mexico, which means Canada and the US. If you're in Canada or the US, you can use RingIO. It will be awesome. But if you're outside of Canada and the US, you cannot use them. So this is downside number one. Downside number two, for me, it's actually an upside, but for most people, it will be a downside. They do not support mobile, which means when calls coming in, they will go only to your desktop application. It will not go to your mobile. For me, it's an upside because I want to separate my life. I don't want to work when I'm not in front of the computer. So for me, it's a big upside. It actually forced me to sit and be in front of the computer. Same for my employees. For some people, it will be a downside because they actually want to conduct business and phone calls when they are not in front of the computer. So this is RingIO. The upside is you're getting $200 whenever you are a paid client, and they also have a free trial that you can check and test their system. The next one will be Justcall. Justcall is the system that we use for calls if we need to call outside of North America. And of course, we have clients all over the world. Justcall works with all the countries. And another upside, they also have a mobile app. So this is the upside. The downside, their dialer is not amazing. It's okay, but it's not amazing. But relatively to the other competition that is doing what Justcall is doing, I think they are a little bit better. So those are the products that we are promoting for Zoho. This list, by the way, is being updated every few months. We have a research team that is going over different applications. Most of them are crap, so it takes us lots of time to come up with new solutions and new integrations. It's just tons of stuff out there, not worth much, but we will continue on doing the work, and whenever there is a good solution that we actually like, and it means that we like it, we work with it, we think it's good. Only then we will promote it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next session.